Now let's look at the second problem. Second problem में क्या दिया हुआ है? 3,17,529 plus 8,04,613. This is our sum. So let's write that down. What is the method that I just taught you? We'll start filling in numbers from the ones place. So let's look at the first number. 9, 9, 2, 5, 7, 1, 3 plus 3, 1, 6, 4, 0, 8. Okay. Now let's solve. 9 plus 3 is 12. So write 2 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write 1 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. So, write 1 below, carry over 1. There is nothing over here, which means there's a 0. There's nothing over here, which means there's a 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so the answer to your second sum is 11,22,142.